Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for October 5th, 2020. If we look at the chart SBY over here on the daily chart, if you watch my weekly market forecast, so the market is pull up, pull down, pull up, pull down. Right now, they try to build a head and shoulder pattern. If we'll be able to get out of this level here, we'll have more bullish to come. So if you look at the short-term 60-minute chart, as you can see that the market right now, it try to, after they bottom out, they try to find a way up. So right now, we will watch out for the level here, which the market gets stuck here on beginning of September 9, September 10. We get stuck here, we couldn't make it higher, and we go down. Now we come back, we try to get back and retest this level. If we're able to break out this level, the market will be able to have more bullish in the future. So right now we watch slowly to see when the market get back to the resistance here, how they react, and then we can see from there. So if you on the day trader, so you see that every day we'll be able to guide our member. So when the market open here for the short-term day trading, we guide our member from here to straight up to the whole move here until the first hour of trading, so more than 24 point again. Every point in the ES future, that is $50, so that very quickly our member can wrap some quick money for and then done for the day. And after I finish the day trading, I jump in and take a quick trade, and total net profit at $1,217, and then I turn around and close some of the swing trade. So last week I love swing trade because after the market breakout we jump in with nice formation here in just a couple of days, and we close a 10 contract for $5,286. So total net profit for today is $6,500. It's good income to start up the week. So if you have been following me on weekly market forecast, if you look at a lot of stuff that we have been looking at, so right now, if first of all we look at the XLU, which is the utility index, they are take off today, and also IWM, if you can see here, it nice move to the upside, and SOXX with another semiconductor ETF also try to put into the upside, and KRE, which is the regional bank, it also take up today with a high volume also. And beside that, we look at it for a lot of stock that we're looking at, like Home Builder, it's still doing well, Troll Brother, and those companies still doing well. And look at the supply for Home Builder, extremely, look at the door, they jump up, okay, almost 5.25% in one day. And a lot of stock like CCI, that one we look weekend, this one it already push it back up. And the public storage, look at them, they take up again. And EXR, that's another extra pay storage, they try to put to the upside. And HIBB, let's see, another one that we're looking at, look at here, this is supporting good, and then the last 3 days they jump up very fast. Also LAD, it also moved to the upside. So if you are belong to member of Stock Navigator, we analyze those stock every day in our live trading room beside the short-term trading. This is what we are doing to help the member to find out where the market is breaking out so that they can take a trade. So this is all I have for you today. So thank you for watching. If you like what I'm doing here, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will let you know. And if you would like to learn how to trade, how to understand financial market, and how to make some extra daily income, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.